Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Video Doorbell Pro firmware update easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the firmware update for your Wyze Video Doorbell Pro, ensure your device is fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Wyze account if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Find and select your Wyze Video Doorbell Pro from the list of devices. On the device page, look for the firmware version displayed at the top. Check if there is an available update indicated by a notification or banner. If an update is available, tap on the notification to access the update details. Review the update notes to understand what improvements or fixes are included. Tap the Update button to begin the firmware update process. Ensure you stay connected to Wi-Fi throughout the update. The update may take a few minutes, so be patient as your doorbell updates. Once the update is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. At this point, your Wyze Video Doorbell Pro should be running the latest firmware. You can now test the doorbell to ensure everything is working properly after the update. If you experience any issues, refer to the Wyze support page for troubleshooting tips. Your device is now better equipped with the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.